Hello fellow flow artists and martial artists alike, NI3 here, coming at you today with another rope dart video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this type of a body harness. So without further ado, let's begin.
What you want to do first is start off with the dart head, bring it around your neck, place it over your lead shoulder, and then bring the extra rope behind your back while keeping it on your anchor hand and making a loop. From there, you're going to take the remaining rope that's on your lead side, you're going to transfer it to the anchor side, putting it through the loop, creating a new loop, as you'll see here. And then from there, you're going to take what's left of the rope, put it underneath your lead armpit, behind your shoulder, go around your neck, and then over the anchor shoulder, and then you're going to put what's left of it through the loop that you made, and then you'll be able to secure it like you see here. And it forms an X on the back as well.
So that is how you do the body harness for this one, and I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.